This is Nicole with the Ecom Sellers Podcast. And I have with me the awesome, the amazing
Kelly, the Ecom Mom Ward.
Kelly, the Ecom Mom Ward. So with that being said, I am going to turn it over to the awesome, the amazing, the beautiful Miss Kelly Ward so she can tell us about the news and more.
eBay, they're getting their customer service back up for sellers for a while. It's been very hard for sellers to get their customer service because of the offices being closed for the COVID and the pandemic. But eBay's allowing their employees to return to the office, so eBay sellers are able to get back to getting customer service. It's available 7 days a week, and the detailed instructions are available on the eBay community pages, so you can get the correct people that you need. Whether it be you need help with managed payments, or you need help with a global shipping sale or whatever, they'll get you to the right person with those instructions. Also, you can register for eBay Open. It's going to be held virtually this year. It's in August. I think it's right probably around the same time as our summits, but hopefully they'll have it recorded for you. But I already registered. I saw they'll have people talking on different subjects, different categories. So if you sell electronics, they have a talk on just electronics, or if you sell fashion, or if you sell collectibles and toys. So, I know a lot of people poo-poo on eBay a lot, but it's a great way to learn what's going on. Let's see, with Amazon cracked down on a lot of sellers from China. They had suspended hundreds of top-selling Chinese sellers over the last 2 months. Most of these sellers had offered previously best-selling items. They're cracking down on a lot of them for doing the fraudulent reviews and such, is what they've mostly been cracking down on. And they've also launched a new portal for seller safety claims. I think that's all the. Facebook published a holiday marketing guide for merchants for 2021 for the merchants who want to reach shoppers during the upcoming holiday shopping season. So if you're a Facebook seller, I believe they said they sent that out in the email for that. And that's pretty much all the news I could find.
All right. So I know that there was a couple of things. I was going to go back and look because the previous week, I did want to let everybody know, if you didn't catch it, PayPal's fees have gone up. I think that was announced over a week ago that their fees are going up. In addition to that, I think FedEx increased their fees, and we already know the USPS was increasing their fees. So you need to make adjustments to, your business plan, your business model. Be prepared for that. I know the USPS was talking about, first class mail, keeping, right now it's sort of slow. So keeping that model in place for an extended period of time. So you need to be prepared for that and make adjustments to your listings, depending on which platform you sell on, just to accommodate that issue. I know that Amazon rolled out, a Black Business Accelerator program. And so that Black Business Accelerator program, if you just look for it, you can just Google Amazon Black Business Accelerator program. And if you're interested in it, you have until July the 29th to apply. There's some perks that are involved with it, some financial assistance and some grants. So check it out. And the winner will be announced in September the 2nd. eBay Open, what Kelly was talking about, eBay Open, the dates for eBay Open are August the 4th through the 6th. So our event is August the 2nd through the 5th. So there's 1 day in there, 2 days, where we overlap a little bit. But again, since it's online, if you register, you should be just fine to be able to watch our stuff and their stuff. So I'm sure they're going to cover some great information. We had an awesome eBay trainer that was going to be part of the summit, but she wasn't able to make it. So I was like, what? So hopefully next summit she'll be able to join us. She's been an eBay advocate for a very, very, very long time. So I'm hoping definitely that she'll be able to join us in the next summit, but she won't be able to join us on this one. So I'm sort of sad about that. Other news, I'm just going over to, I closed out Slack, which is normally where I keep all the news. And so I have to go somewhere else to try and find it because I closed out Slack.
Mhm.
So Kelly, you gave us some great tips about 2 weeks ago, and we didn't get to share those with everybody. So I was wondering if you could go over those awesome tips while I am trying to figure out what other news we had within Slack.
Tips. I'm don't know which tips they're talking about. I don't remember.
Okay. Well, you had some great tips, so I'll have to go back and pull that up, and maybe we'll share it at the next broadcast. Hold
I just
on.
want to say it is now the beginning of the third quarter, and so you got to make sure to clean up anything you need to do for a second quarter.
Yep.
If you need to do your second quarter sales taxes for your state, I have to get mine done by the 20th, so that's 9 days away. So
Yeah,
that's
definitely get that done.
I need to get that done. If you have eBay, if you have a store, you have the new supply coupon that came out, so you're able to go and restock on some supplies with your supply coupon if you have a store. That's always great. I'm trying to figure out which ones I want to use this time. Which supplies I need to buy. Um, let's try to think of anything else. I did go out to the store today. I went to the Dollar Tree and they have back to school up. So that means you need to be sourcing that and getting that, sent in the Amazon or listed on to other platforms, any kind of back to school. And Walmart has brought back, I don't know if you remember these from when we were younger, Trapper Keepers. There's none of the Lisa Frank designs or nothing. But yeah, Walmart has brought back the Trapper Keepers. So
Yes.
probably going to be pretty popular.
Okay, so I did remember a couple of pieces of news. It was announced this week that Amazon is opening or approving businesses for Jamaica. Jamaica businesses are approved for Amazon. So Amazon Jamaica is opening up, and I know a lot of people are excited about that. And that's going to be a big deal. I don't know if Kelly already said it because I heard part of what she said earlier. I apologize, Kelly. My port was not completely plugged in. I was like, I can hear, but I can't really hear. So yeah, Amazon Jamaica or Jamaica Amazon. So those businesses that are out there, if you're in Jamaica, you want to be able to sell in Jamaica, you want to source from Jamaica. Now that's coming online. The other thing that we got some great news about. Let's see. We already know. So we already talked. I think we talked about the last time. I talked. YouTube is hosting a small business shopping event on e-commerce to push its e-commerce. In addition to that, there's a couple of startups that are actually trying to give sellers an opportunity to have other platforms in which to sell their products and showcase their products. So you want to be on the lookout for those. And we'll try to do like some information. We'll try to do some reconnaissance, some research, and find out about some of these platforms. Some of them I don't know, some of them I do know, but I'm always game for a new platform. Shopify dropped its App Store commissions to 0% for developers. So I'm sure that there's some developers that are not happy about that. Shopify president said that small businesses are leading the pandemic recovery in most cities, which is good. That means that gives them the opportunity businesses are growing, small businesses are growing, even though there's like in some cases staffing shortages, like in some of the restaurants and stuff like that. Small businesses continuing to grow. A new platform, Mightier, is been created or is going to be available for in e-commerce sellers that are kids, so they can operate their own storefront. So we're definitely going to test that out. I'm looking forward to seeing what happens there with the Mightier. And there's over 350 billion in emergency funding from state and local government. So you might want to check with your state and local government. Due to the pandemic, there's still some money that's available. It says over 350 billion with a B is still available. So definitely go check that out. If you're one that is looking to see if you can get some money, what's available in your state, what's available in your city or your county, go look into what you might have access to.